Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft 365 files with OneDrive retention, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Microsoft 365 files using OneDrive retention, start by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to OneDrive from the app launcher. In your OneDrive, locate the files or folders you want to secure. Right-click on the selected file or folder to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Version History to see previous versions of the file. Review the versions available and select the one you want to restore or keep. Click on the three dots next to the version to access more options. Select Restore to revert to that version, or Download to save a copy locally. To set up retention policies, go to the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. In the Compliance Center, find the Information Governance section. Select Retention to manage retention policies for your OneDrive files. Click on Create to start a new retention policy. Follow the prompts to specify which files or folders the policy applies to. Decide on the duration for which you want to retain the files or folders. Choose whether to delete items after the retention period or retain them indefinitely. Configure any necessary exemptions for certain users or file types. Review the settings and click Create to finalize the retention policy. Ensure that the policy is activated and monitor its status. For ongoing backups, regularly check the version history of important files. Encourage team members to be aware of the retention policies in place. Train them on how to restore or retrieve files as needed. By following these steps, you'll effectively backup your Microsoft 365 files using OneDrive retention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.